channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to be recording myself decorating the rest of my house. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please leave me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe. So let's get right into decorating my house. So I want to let you guys know that my husband helped me out. He is recording me while I'm putting everything up, so shout out to my husband. Thank you, baby, for helping me out. So right here I'm just hanging up our stockings. I made these stockings for us last year. I bought them from the Dollar Tree, and I just like personalized them and put our names on them, and they came out super cute. And now I'm just hanging up some garland around this area. I just want to hang up some garland and put up some lights so that way it can look a little more festive. Next, moving on to the bathroom, I'm going to cover the toilet with this toilet seat cover, and it looks super cute. And there's my son Zachariah. Now I'm placing this Christmas tree on top of the toilet, and I am going to decorate it with these little lights. And now I'm just going to place these hand towels here. I do eventually move these, so they're not going to stay there, but I will show you guys where I end up placing them at the end of the video. Now I'm just hanging up this little sign. Now I'm going to hang up these little stars that I made. I did a little DIY. I got this idea from Jenna and Family. I will have her video linked down below, so that way you guys can go and check it out. If you guys like it, you guys can go and watch her video, and she can show you guys how to make them. Now I am going to be placing these pillows on our couch.
You're doing it again. You're doing it again.
So now I'm just showing you guys this little chair with the cover and the pillow, and now I'm placing this placemat. Or this is not a placemat, this is a table runner on my table. I got this last year, I can't remember where. And the little flower arrangement that you guys saw, it was another DIY that I did. Now I'm placing this rug down. I was gonna place it on top of this other rug that I had there, but it didn't look good, so I just threw it off, or put the other one away. I put it to the side for the meantime, and now I am just placing these towels. I don't know what this part of the oven or stove is called. I guess, I don't know, but I'm just placing everything in its place. So this turned out to be my favorite part. I just love the way that this garland looks just hanging here. It's really simple. It's nothing too crazy or extravagant or anything like that, but I really love the way that it came out. You're not going to see me doing this, but I do add lights to it, and the lights just give it a little sparkle. They make it look so beautiful. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just hanging this little garland here that I got from the Dollar Tree. I also hung some around the window, and I just love the way it looks. Or not look, but looks. So this is how everything came out. It looks so beautiful. I love how it just all comes together. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye!